I'm not cut out for this.
This is why I do not like men. 5 lakhs for this vada pav.
Bel puri खाएंगे.
AMB में खाएंगे.
Done with the Janhvi Kapoor inspired look. It's raining as well. The chala stunts ayine madhyala.
Erra ni pillada ni gopala. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shrima Reddy and I create content on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and travel. And if that's something that interests you, make sure to hit the subscribe button. In Iroju Bangalore Luna right now, and yet again my intro is in a cab because I'm traveling. I'm going to Taj in MG Road. So I'm here in Bangalore for West Side's event. I was actually excited to travel again. Dubai tarvata నాకు కొంచెం traumatized అయిపోయిన travel అంటే నాకు మధ్యలో 3-4 ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉండే. ఒక దానికైతే టికెట్స్ కూడా బుక్ చేసుకున్నా నేను యునో టు ట్రావెల్ టు బాంబే. బట్ లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్ అవ్వలేదు. బికాస్ ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ a little scared after the whole Dubai scene where I felt sick and all of that, and at the same time I was a little busy because the whole month there was something or the other happening. The move was happening, first cut launch unde, chala things unde. So I thought like maybe it's not the right time to travel. But now that I've moved in, completely inka set up Garlic, but still I wanted to bounce back to work and start doing the regular things that I do. And also on top of that, naku 1 month ayindi probably ni Joshi, and I really miss her. Like I really miss her because it's been a while. I really needed that space where I can like talk to her, and just even if we are not talking, just the warmth that she gives as a friend. So I really missed that, and probably in Iroju Bangalore kostundi, and I'm so excited to actually see her. Of course I'm excited for the launch and for the collection, for the event as well, but beyond that, like I am super excited to meet my best friend. I just missed her so much. Actually in July lane vachna Bangalore ki. We stayed at this hotel called Conrad, which was very nice, but now that I'm in MG Road, I want to go to Toit. Baba laga etla kuchundu bottu ade chotu ve. You must have seen her. This is my room. Enta bagundo. Lovely. And that's the view. There's a lake. నేను ఎక్కడికి పోయినా అట్లా ఒక చిన్న లేక్ వ్యూ ఉంటుంది. Anyway, I'm all ready to like go and have lunch because I'm actually hungry. And పొద్దున బర్గర్ చాలా చండాలంగా ఉండే. నేను బర్గర్ కింగ్ లో తిన్నా and it was so bad. Like how do people go to Burger King and actually eat those burgers? They're so bad. బాత్రూమ్ కూడా ఎంత బాగుంది. నేను అంతా రెడీ అయిపోయినా 5:30 అవుతుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ 4:30కి మేము అక్కడ ఉండాల్సిందే. బట్ నేను అండ్ ప్రాబ్లీ కొంచెం మాటలలో టైం మర్చిపోయి లాస్ట్కి చూసేసరికి 4:15కి రియలైజ్ అయినా వీ హ్యావ్ టు గో అండ్ గెట్ రెడీ అని. సో క్విక్లీ ఐ గాట్ రెడీ అండ్ ఐమ్ లవింగ్ దిస్ క్లీన్ గర్ల్ లుక్. లైక్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. బై ద వే లాస్ట్ టైం ఏదో వ్లాగ్లో నేను ఇట్లనే ఒక ఆఫ్ షోల్డర్ టాప్ వేసుకొని like I was casually vlogging, and somebody like took out that video and they completely like cropped me like this, like obviously without chunni, and they're like battale eskokunda enti and all that bullshit on some meme page. I was like, what the like men do not have any work. Like they just wait, they sit and wait. Like how do I sexualize women? Like adokkate mind lo untadi. I anyway thought I don't give two because ఎవరైనా అమ్మాయి ఏదన్నా ఆమె కోసం ఆమె వేసుకుంటుంది. షీ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్, షీ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ లివింగ్ హర్ ఓన్ లైఫ్, షీ ఈస్ హ్యాపీ అని తెలిస్తే చాలు. Like they'll do anything and everything to like ruin her life and her confidence. So I didn't let it break my confidence. Rather I just owned it. Yes, I wear a off shoulder top ani, but anyway నాకు ఎందుకో ఇది వేసుకొని బ్లాగింగ్ చేస్తుంటే గుర్తొచ్చింది. But since you are getting late, let's go and see what is Prableen up to. Prableen ఇంకా రెడీ అవుతుంది. For the first time నేను first రెడీ అయినా and Prableen రెడీ కాలే. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna be very patient and I'm gonna go to my room and wait ani. And I was just like sitting in front of the lake view and I was thinking how lucky or like how beautiful life is, that all the things that you dream of, and you could not even dare to dream of are your reality few years later. Edo nannu yushi na lifestyle ni yushi tan chala lucky tanaku antundi intundi itlundi atlundi and matram em anukokandi. I was just a normal regular girl who had like these huge dreams, and people would think that I'm insane to even dream so much. And today I made those into my reality, and that is because I believed in myself. I believed that this girl can do it, and I did it only and only for myself. Of course, like I always wanted to make my parents proud, but also I wanted to see myself in certain position. And I think I'm still working on it, but I'm definitely like in the right path, I think, touch wood. So if anybody is like telling you that you can't achieve certain things and you are not allowed to dream, those are the people who don't believe in themselves, and that's why they think you can also not believe in yourself and you are not capable of it. I'm telling you, every single person is capable of what they dream of. So dream big, work towards it, and I'm telling you, the feeling you get when you know that you have created this life for yourself is insanely good. Be it a boy, be it a girl. So of course I love it when you come to my page for beauty and fashion tips. Kani, I would also really love and request you guys to like take away these things as well, because they are so important in your life, and sometimes these reminders are important, and I'm here to remind that you are capable. So dream big and create the life for yourself. Create whatever you want in your life. Moving on, antenta clean undi, but our friend right here should come. ఎస్పెషలీ మనకి ఏదైనా ఈవెంట్ ఉంది, ఏదైనా షూట్ ఉంటేనే రావాలి, లేకపోతే నార్మల్ గా రావద్దు. ఇవంతా నాట్ అలౌడ్. సో ప్రబ్లీన్ కి తన అవుట్ఫిట్ అంతా నచ్చలే అంట. షీ వాజ్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ ఇట్. సో ఎదురుగానే H&M ఉంది, లైక్ లిటరలీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి అనిపిస్తుంది. సో వీ థాట్ విల్ జస్ట్ గో దేర్, అండ్ షీఈ్ ఎనీవేర్ రెడీ. ఒకవేళ నచ్చితే షీల్ బై అండ్ షీల్ షాప్ ఇట్ రైట్ దేర్, అండ్ వీల్ గో టు ది ఈవెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్. ఎర్రాని పిల్లదాని గోపాల ఈ జాకెట్ కొనుక్కుంది H&M లో, and she wore this, and అమ్మ చెప్పులు కూడా లేవు. That's Prableen going to an event.
And I'm letting Shrima be a girl by taking my support.
Yes. The camera is very good. She wants to eat ice cream.
Enjoy it.
Vilu collection in the updation. Look at this. మేము ఇప్పుడే షో అయిపోయింది, డిన్నర్కి వచ్చినాం. సేమ్ మేము ఎక్కడ హోటల్లో ఉంటున్నామో అక్కడికే వచ్చినాం. And the show is really fun, like really nice, and I'm super, like I really like the collection. So yeah, మేము మంచిగా పూల్ పక్కన కూర్చున్నాం ఇప్పుడు. That's Prableen annoying me as usual. What is that?
It's kebab.
Excellent. Hi guys, it's day 2 and ee roju mem Bangalore to Mumbai veltunam. Although naadi probably in the different flights, because I'm a flight mari expensive unde last moment kabatti nenu book cheskole. At the moment nenu ipude talsnanam chesi I'm going to breakfast. Nenu actually shampoo conditioner techukole anamata, but my hair was so oily that I had to just use whatever is there at the hotel. And we'll manchiga itla forest essentials e vetnar, like not bad. I hope na juttulo na oil anta poyindi anukunta, hopefully. This is what I'm wearing, very casual. Wheat grass juice and తెచ్చుకున్నా detox చేయడానికి, but it literally smells like matcha with cold water. So basically రేపు పార్టీకి రాహుల్ లేడనమాట ఇన్వాల్వ్, అందుకే ఓవర్ యాక్షన్ చేస్తున్నాడు. See, that's the overaction.
What is she saying? Can you translate for me?
I'm saying that for tomorrow's party.
Hey,
yeah.
Acting so cool.
Yeah.
బ్యాచిలరేట్ పై కోయి
అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే గర్ల్స్ ని తీసుకెళ్ళట్లే, ఆయనకు కూడా బ్యాచిలర్స్ పార్టీ ఉంది అండ్ హీస్ లైక్
I did not
shut up.
He gave a list of people he wants on his back.
Yeah.
No, I did not give any list. My friends, my guy friends asked me.
His guy friends asked who else to call, so
other
he
boy?
forgot to take our names.
Who other boy
He did
do
not
you want?
take
Boy, you boys are not boys. You girls.
But we are definitely more fun than the boys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I'll miss out on so much fun, you know.
He's so mean.
Very mean.
Don't put all this up.
I will.
Hyderabad
Put
people
all this.
hate me.
No, you should know.
Guys,
This is our real side.
Shrima is really very, very, very fun. And it's my biggest mistake of not taking her along on my.
What about Nishta? What about Nishta?
And
He
Nishta
has
is the
forgotten me totally.
funniest. अरे ये उसके पेज पे जाएगा ना.
I will not plan your bachelor's party because for this party I'm not invited. 4 days Goa పోతున్నారు వీళ్ళందరూ కలిసి, boys, 9 boys.
That's it. It's not a bachelor's thing, bro.
మాకేమో రేపు బ్యాచిలరేట్ పార్టీలో అందరు బాయ్స్ కూడా వస్తారు ఎక్సెప్ట్ ఫర్ రాహుల్.
Problems bachelorette. Problems wants everyone, na.
Yeah.
I also made it clear, but these boys.
Prableen wants everyone because she loves everyone.
Exactly.
Rahul
also-
does not want
I mean,
everyone because he does not love everyone. That's why I do not like men.
I'll tell you.
It's the next day and I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. and నేను రెడీ అయిపోయి నిష్ఠా వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాను ఇప్పుడు. Prableen has no idea. నేను ఒక షూట్ ఉంది సోషల్ కెచప్తో, నా బ్రాండ్ గురించి పాడ్కాస్ట్ ఉంది అని చెప్పేసి వెళ్తున్నా. అందరం రెడీ అయిపోయి నిష్ఠా వాళ్ళ ఇంటి కింద కలిసి ఉండే అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ వీ స్టార్టెడ్ టు లోనావ్లా.
కేక్ కింద పడిపోయింది. Now we are checking.
है ना, सही है ना, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
Mrs. and Miss सही है.
Rest all is gone.
अभी ये तो कोलैटरल है, चल जाएगा.
We can fix this now after going.
Yeah, I think we can.
What is this place called?
This place is called food court.
Wow. So we are here at this famous food court.
लिखा था वहाँ पे.
हाँ, the
She
food
will pay
court.
attention to her surroundings, okay?
Can't. What? Talagod.
Did you take my consent
Yes.
to record me?
Yes, I did. 5 years ago. 5 lakhs for this vada pav.
Bro, 10 lakhs. प्लेलिस्ट और मैं डेकोर का BTS ले रहा हूँ और डेकोर बनने के बाद पूरा शूट कर रहा हूँ.
విల్లాలో చెక్ ఇన్ చేయగానే వి స్టార్టెడ్ డెకరేటింగ్ ద హౌస్, ఎందుకంటే 1 hour లో ప్రబ్లీన్ కూడా వస్తుండే.
There's mirror.
Yeah, now we have here.
My official friends और मेरा bachelor भी तुम ही कर.
Done.
Who we are? We are not shy.
DIY.
It's not looking nice.
It's Prableen వచ్చిన తర్వాత she was not really surprised మేము ఎన్ని efforts పెట్టినా, but she was very very happy and we had a lot of fun. The next day we went to a dhaba to have food and then we came back to Bombay. నేను మా డాడీ కోసం కొత్త ఫోన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను because ఆయన బర్త్డేకి ఏం గిఫ్ట్ ఇవ్వలేదు. This is the one. Trying to give it to him and there are so many like house things that are pending that we are not in the mood only. Father, yo.
What is this?
That's a gift for you.
Thank you.
Open it.
Wow.
Full lightweight untadi and big screen and big battery.
Lightweight, big screen.
Neeku etla nachado atlane. And it has dual SIM.
Thank you so much.
2 or 3.
I ever expect this is very expensive cell phone
To you.
gifted my lovely daughter.
Gifted by my lovely daughter. Nice.
It's very nice. It is very.
హాయ్ గాయ్స్, మేము ఈరోజు హౌస్ హెల్ప్ని పెట్టుకున్నాం అండ్ ఒక రోబోట్ కూడా నేను పొద్దున చూపించినాను కదా, దాట్ ఆల్సో కేమ్ ఇన్. సో నౌ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ బికమింగ్ అ లిటిల్ మోర్ బెటర్, ఎస్పెషలీ ఫర్ మై మామ్ బికాస్ చాలా కష్టపడుతుండే ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లీనింగ్ అండ్ సెటింగ్ అప్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. యా, నౌ ఐమ్ గోనా గో అండ్ సోర్స్ సమ్ అవుట్ఫిట్స్ ఫర్ నవరాత్రి. నేను 9 days 9 outfit from scratches చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ లైక్ వేగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు వర్క్. I will try my best to make it work. Today I have have to source like 3 different things like that I have in my mind. Also dusty and everything, na skin anta koncham kharab ayipindi. Like I got so many pimples. I'm still getting a lot of pimples and stuff, but I can care the least about my skin with all the things that's happening. I still have to set up the house. So I've decided I'm going to go to Charminar first and then tarvata Koti ki velta. I think one of the outfits ki itla cocktailish vibe kavalsinde anamata, especially in like corset top and then lehenga and dupatta, a little on the heavier side. So I've been seeing these ads of Ramesh Textile. A lot of like budding bloggers are promoting this brand, so I was like, it looks interesting, so let's go and see if they do have you know, materials that I am looking out for. And ade kaakunda Ajrak fabrics unna shops emana దగ్గర ఉంటే I'll finish the whole chanya choli bit also. Actually నేను ఏమనుకుంటున్నా, అజ్రక్ ఒకవేళ లేకపోతే I don't mind going for a little bandhani vibe, but let's see. Hopefully I want Ajrak because Ajrak is a little trending right now. Next మనం ఏమేం outfits తీసుకున్నా, like the trend will be Ajrak, mostly like Ajrak sarees, Ajrak పైన work అవన్నీ. So because it's not a trend yet, I would love to be like one of the first people to play around with Ajrak.
Corset lehenga ki I decided I'm going with this one. I love the color and work kuda chaala pretty and royal unde. Ochinappudu nenu white or off white kondam anukunna, but I somehow did not like this as much, so I just went with the first one. So basically nenu chanya choli from scratch chedam anukunna, something which is light, so I went for Ajrak prints because I really like Ajrak, and this kind of caught my attention. I really like the border and everything, whatever is happening here.
Hi guys, it's the next day and ee roju naku oka shoot undi. I've done couple of things, couple of meetings, and also I have to go to Soumyaka to give my outfit for stitching. So a lot of things to do. I'm trying to like set my calendar and use the calendar idi, and right now I'm in my clubhouse endukante nadu inka you know, studio gale, so that's why I thought like maybe this is the nice place to shoot. And నేను ఒక perfume brand ki shoot chestuna. It's Carolina Herrera. One of my favorite perfumes of theirs is the Good Girl perfume. So ippudu Very Good Girl I think launch chesnanu anukunta, and I'm super excited and I'm so happy that I'm a part of this launch. But anyway, like I'm now sitting and waiting for Shrinu. He's my videographer. He has to come and set up the lights and then we'll shoot quickly.
Look who's here. Spontaneous movies. Half an hour late వచ్చి AMB
చెప్పు మనం ఏ టైంకి వచ్చినామో సినిమా.
సో మేము 10:33 ఉన్నప్పుడు
10:36
no 10:33 ఉన్నప్పుడు we decided we wanted to go to a movie. So open చేసి book my show open చేసి చూసినాం, and then exact 10:45 కి మూవీ ఉండే, and we stayed 20 minutes away from this place. Still we decided to come. చాలా స్టన్స్ అయినాయి మధ్యలో, కరెంటు పోయింది, మేము లిఫ్ట్ ఎక్కుదామంటే నా ఫోన్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది. అన్న అయిన తర్వాత కష్టపడి వచ్చి హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ లేట్ వచ్చినాం మూవీకి. దాని తర్వాత వరిని ఒట్టి కూర్చో కదా, పక్కన మీద అడిగింది ఏమైంది మూవీలా అంటే, యూజువల్గా మంచి వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఇట్లా అయింది అంటే 2 minutes సమ్మరీ చెప్తారు. ఆమె ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ జస్ట్ నౌ అని చెప్పలేదు. And Varenya and her have a cold war running right now.
మేము ఏ సినిమా చూడాలనుకున్నా
అసలు
మినిమం 20 minutes లేట్ రాంది ఆ మూవీకి మేము వెళ్ళము.
Is it even a movie, bro? Belpuri ka aayenge.
AMB में खाएंगे.
By the way, Belpuri నేను ఆర్డర్ చేసుకున్నా, ఆమె తొక్కలో మఫిన్ ఆర్డర్ చేసుకుంది.
Hi guys, it's the next day and na shoot దగ్గరకు వస్తుంది. నా స్కిన్ చూడ ఎంత ఖరాబ్ అయిపోయింది, like it's so damaged, like it's the worst that I've had.
So yeah, now I came to Soumyaka's studio. I'm going to give, actually రేపే ఇయ్యాలి పాపం, నేనైతే ఇంత last minute things చేస్తా with her, but hopefully she gives me tomorrow and my outfit will be ready. It's the corset one, Charminar లో కొన్నాం చూడ ఆ మెటీరియల్.
Hi guys, it's 20th of September and 21st and 22nd shoot చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. ఇంకా జ్యువెలరీ నేను సోర్స్ చేసుకోలేదు. So today is the jewelry sourcing. Most of my outfits are going to get sorted. Yesterday I received few outfits. అవి కూడా ఒకసారి ట్రయల్ చేసి. So I have to like trial and see if they are fitting me or no. So it's going to be a ride today, but I'm excited to get everything sorted. I actually for a moment thought maybe this year I won't be able to achieve what I want to, but I was clearly wrong and I'll make it happen. So I'm super excited for that. As of now, in breakfast yesterday, I'm having uttapa and also my sweet lime juice. My skin is in the worst situation and maybe because of the entire dust and all of that while moving. Koncham itla rash laga kuda vachinunde face anta. But I have no option but to shoot tomorrow. So I'll just have to like cover this up with concealers and stuff. You guys, 5 outfits ochne and enta pretty unne telsa. Like I'm taking blouses right now and this has to be one of my favorite blouse. This is from the brand Shivani Machella and this is from Madhuri Rao. Again, like her page is amazing. Actually నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే వీళ్ళందరి పేజెస్ నేను లింక్ లో పెడతాను డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో. సో ఇట్స్ ఈజియర్ ఫర్ యూ. ఇట్స్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. లైక్ ద క్వాలిటీ ఆల్సో దే హ్యావ్ సెంట్ అమేజింగ్ క్వాలిటీ. And this was a saree that I bought from some website like I think a year ago. And nena saree ni langaoni laga create cheskunna because I really love the color. So, oh my god, it's so cute. This is one of it. And this is from Anu Gupta label. They also have done fabulous job. Ivanni basically nenu enduku chestunna ante so that you guys will have like good inspo. And this is something that I really wanted to do this year, which is a corset blouse. And I reached out to a brand who does corsets and they are from Hyderabad. They are called Shwasa and I think they are like 2 young ladies doing that brand. And while usually corsets chestaru anamata, and for me they have sourced it and they have done lehenga also and nenu dupatta etla cheyali avanni kuda cheppina. So they've done all that for me and I'm so happy how they look like. And I already have that vision for these. Like I want to do a very like Gen Z contemporary vibe for the corset one. Oh, wish me luck. Indaka I thought I could not do an endukanna ante every year naku already sort అయిపోయి ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. But this year any things అయితుండే అసలు నేను మూవ్ అయినా లాంచ్ ఉండే మళ్ళీ నేను ట్రావెల్ చేసిన బెంగళూరుకి అండ్ ముంబైకి all of those things and in my mind I was like maybe I cannot do it and I'm just forcing my body and my mind to do it and I'm being very critical on myself. నేను ఎట్లా అంటే ఒకవేళ నేను ఒక నేను చేయలేకపోతున్నా అంటే I will just blame myself and how like I'm not easy on myself at all. So ఒక రోజు మొత్తం నేను ఇట్లా గిల్ట్ లా స్పెండ్ చేసిన. I was just sulking and internally like it was too bad. Like there are so many other emotional things happening to me, so I just could not take it everything at once. Itla vachesariki I self-doubted so much. I was like maybe I'm not cut out for this. Like I need that rest. But Ammavar daya valla it is coming to life and tomorrow is going to be my first shoot day. Oka video kuda chesna and I just realized nenu ee dress ulta eskuన్నా. Why God, why? These are the ones that I selected. I came to Somaka's studio and ready అయిపోయింది. This is like that. Sorry, gold outfit ready అయిపోయింది. And the corset ready అయింది. So like there are certain pieces which are ready. So I'm going to try whatever is ready. Tonight I think she'll send. Then I went to Amira Silver. It's basically silver jewelry with gold plated. Ikkad kuda elna to source couple of pieces. 1 AM aitundi and I'm still waiting for my outfits. Tomorrow I have to wake up at 6 AM and I'm so sleepy. Chala tired kuda ayipena nenu ee roju chala tirigi. Hi guys, it's 21st and nena base makeup ippudu cheskuntunna. It's 9:30 I guess. I have half an hour more to like get ready, and then at 10 my hairstylist is going to come and she's going to do hairstyle, and then at 11:30 or 12 we are going to leave. It's been a while that I went to shoot locations and I shot. I just came to this place called Maya Bazaar. It's like a shoot location and they gave us a room. I'm going to like finish the hairdo and also change. I'm still waiting for my videographer. Usually name later sak and first time Shrinu later Sundu. But no worries, not mad. We're going to start shooting at like probably 1 p.m. and ideally in 4 dechna. Worst case scenario 4 kaapothe at least 3 ana chedam ee roju ani fix aina. And tomorrow I'll do 3 and we'll see like how it goes. I know, Cheshna too. That's Shrinu who came late today. My first look is Sharwari recreation and this is how it looks. My second look, నేను literally jewelry to వేయించిన inspired by Janhvi Kapoor's lehenga. I'm so excited for this. Just got done with the Janhvi Kapoor inspired look and the beautiful vachinayi. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to actually go home and edit. So ఇంకా ఒక లాస్ట్ షూట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ ఇట్స్ ర్యాప్ అప్.
నాకైతే బోట్లో షూట్ అన్నాడు.
ఇట్స్ రైనింగ్ హస్ వెన్. Yes, only 3 videos though because of him. But I'm kidding. Shiva, hi Appu. I just came back home. It was such a long day. 9 p.m. aitundi. Morning eppudu I think 7 ki leshi I started working on this and then I'm done now. Neni vlog post chese lopala I think you must have seen the looks already. Tomorrow we are planning to start the shoot at 6:30 a.m. So ideally nen 2:30 a.m. ke levali and now I have to edit my video for tomorrow as well, 2 videos. But also repu Navratri start aitundi kabatti I want to make like a separate Navratri vlog endukante appudu nen tine food na poojalu and also nen fasting kuda unta 9 days kabatti chala different untadi vlog. It's going to be like all festive, so that's going to be a separate vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and thank you so much na vlogs ki anta love chupistunanduku. I really am so grateful and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.